Hi, this is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today's class, I'm going to teach you guys product rule. So, which is if you have two, like things like f of x and g of x multiplied together, if we need to take derivative of those, which is we need to use the product rule. And then I put down the formula on the screen to show you guys. All right. So first of all, product rule for, well, basically we have two functions. Well, f of x multiplied by g of x, then so the derivative of that, which is the first term, first function, derivative of f of x times g of x plus the second one, derivative of the second one multiplied by the first one, first function. So we can go ahead to do the first example, x squared plus 3, then multiply by x squared minus 4x. We just treat the first one to be f of x, the second part to be g of x. And then let's begin. So the first f of x, we just take the derivative, which is 2x. And then the second part, just rewrite it, x squared minus 4x. Then plus the second part, we do the derivative of that, which is 2x, then minus 4. And then the first part, x squared plus 3, just rewrite them. Then go ahead to do the distributive property for the first part, which is 2x times x squared is 2x to the third, then 2x times negative 4x is minus 8x squared. And then the second part, we should do FOIL. So 2x times x squared, 2x to the third, and then first term times second term, which is 6x. Then second term times first term, negative 4 times x squared is minus 4x squared. And then negative 4 times 3 is minus 12. Then we can go ahead to combine like terms now. So we started from the highest degree, and then 2x3 to the third power plus 2x to the third power, which is 4x to the third. Then negative 8x squared minus 4x squared is minus 12x squared. Then we just plus 6x and minus 12. Now we can probably do a little more. Just take factor out, take 2 out. Then we have 2x to the third minus 6x squared plus 3x minus 6. Then that's the final answer. And then we can try the second example here. Square root of x times sine of x. If we do derivative of that, how do we do? So first step, go ahead to rewrite this as x to the half power and then sine x. And then now we can do f of x, we try to do two things multiplied together, then derivative of the whole thing. And then we just do, first of all, remember the formula. First one, we need to do derivative. So we take half to the front, x, half minus 1, so which is negative half. And then rewrite sine of x because we need to rewrite it, the second part. And then plus, so derivative of the sine of the x, which is cosine x. And then rewrite the first part. So then we need to, this is the hardest part, we need to take factor out, which is x to the negative half power. We always take the lower power out. So which is x, negative half. Then we have half sine x left over for the first term. And then plus, x squared, x to the half power. If you take x to the negative half power, which is divide, so the power division, you have the same base, so it just power, you just minus from each other. So half minus negative half, which is 1. So we have x left over, x to the first power, and then cosine x. So that's the answer for the second one. So please let me know these two are, okay, fair. I mean, we will have a lot more challenge questions related to product rule. So just let me know if you want me to do more. Then I can, do that. Well, include that in my next video. All right, thank you so much.